So over here, you can see that I have a project right here, and this project right here is in a certain size. And let's say what I want to do is I want to resize out the project. So to do that, over here, I can go around on the left side and click on design. And over here, you can see that Smart Resize is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then you can see that I can go around and choose any other a sort of option right here, so to resize, and you can see that it arranges out the objects within my particular design as well. You can also auto rotate to best fit and fit out the content right here, or fill right here. And you can also go around and change out the size, that is the width and height, as you want as well. Let's say, for example, you can go around and make it 500 right here, just like this as well. Or let me go around and make it 1900 right here. Press apply, and you can see the new design right here, just like this. So whatever design you have, so let's just go around onto any template as well. So it's loading a template, as you can see right here. And it's loading out, and there you go, there's a template. So you can go around onto Smart Resize and click anything else right here. So you can go around and choose, and you can see that the design gets resized out right here, and it tries to maintain out the design elements properly as well. So that is what you have, as you can see. So you can go around and see right here, you can choose like square design or something else, press apply, and the design will be resized out just like this. So this is how you can utilize the Smart Design option inside a Pixlr Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.